Got it?
We're the only two left, so I'm just gonna be. I'm gonna. They had left.
What?
What'd you say they had left?
They only have an 18.
No, I'm not. All right, it's gonna have to do.
I know. Access to the road.
Push
Peter,
down. Push down.
Peter.
Push down. Hey, push to your left. Push to your left. Push to your left.
At the tip of something doesn't head to the right. They're right there.
Hey, slow down. Slow down. You're almost out of. 170. I sustain a gunshot.
One, two, three.
Allez! Lâche-moi là-bas parce que le véhicule va nous tirer dessus là! J'arrive pas à voir ce que c'est! Ok, feu!
Go! Écho!
All right, Saber Junction 23 is the incorporation of 2nd Cavalry Regiment with a Polish higher command that happens to be the 11th Armoured Division over here from Poland, and components of their units underneath them is what comprises the division staff. So the interoperability piece is what we're trying to get after. How does a Polish headquarters command and control a U.S. Cavalry Regiment with other multinational partners within that regiment as well? 2CR is America's forward recon element located in Europe. And so if anything was to be activated in a deterrence kind of standpoint, then we would look at 2CR to provide that recon asset along with other units we rotate through Europe for the Rapid Action Force. So exercises like Saber Junction allow us to provide that environment where a U.S. Cavalry Regiment and a Polish division can have the decision space and understanding between each other, and how that division would answer to a multinational